Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
आप पार्टी सगळ्यांकडे वयता बरे बरे कोण कॅन्डिडेट आहा तेंचे कडेन वयता आनी तेणी वचपाकूच जाय. देर इज नथींग रॉंग. BJP पार्टी वील ऑल्सो टेक MLAs who want to join in BJP. जो तर अशें तेंकां दिसता की काँग्रेसीन आनी कोण उरल्या तेंकां ऑफर दितले ते. अशें न्हू की कोण ऑफर दिना. सगळे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आय एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट वन ओनली पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. ऑल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज who thinks the think tank thinks that somebody is good in the opposite party, they will definitely give them offer to join this side. So asukut shakana ki every political party don't want to take MLAs, sitting MLAs who are going to get, their tenure is going to get over. Anik 2 महिन्यांनी tenure सोपता 2-3 महिन्यांनी. So code of conduct लागलो आमचो tenure काबार जाता. Then you can you have to think which political party you want to contest back again. जे कोण थोड्यांक खूप जाणांक ऑफर येतल्योच. There is no doubt about it. Inaugurate our freedom struggle jail or freedom movement jail, all those freedom fighters were jailed. Is likely to inaugurate this historic monument which is refurbished, which is brought back to its original position, which was built some years back on 19th December 2021. Nah, this is tentative date given to him and he has already said yes, but officially it is still not announced. But I am confident and I am saying 100% confident because I am also going to email to his office, to Prime Minister's office, and also going to send a letter telling him the importance of this monument, the importance. हो जो आमचो फ्रीडम स्ट्रगलाचो जो ही झेल आहा हितून फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल ऑफ गोंयचे नासले.